Alright, so anyhow, we got these baby birds that live on top of our light, dude, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's kinda neat. The mom doesn't really mind me messing with it. Oh, there they are. They're popping up already. She doesn't really mind me messing with it too much. She trusts me. Look at birdies! Birdies. Trying to get some food. Trying to get some food. Oh my goodness. Crazy, huh? Birdies. Birdies. So anyhow, I'll go ahead and put them back up, but that's basically them just chilling. There's 3 of them. And some kind of looks dead. I think he's just sleeping. Birdie. Oh yeah, he's breathing. He's just sleeping. I don't touch him though, so that mom doesn't get mad. But I'm gonna put him back. That's cool.